I caught you on camera to do this shit. Girl, the fuck you doing? Yo. Remy, the hell you doing? What you doing? Jackie, you gonna sit there looking pretty? Sit still, look pretty. Sit still, look pretty. The man's. That is. Just kidding. I'm so lit right now. Okay, okay. It's Jack doing. Jackie, what you doing? Just gotta scroll around her. Look at you. So freaking cute. Alright, let's go back here. Put some. Want to say hi? Say hi. Say hi, Jack. Go back to doing your thing. Guys, I found Twitter. Oh my MG, I found Twitter. Remy, your boyfriend's Twitter. What the fuck? Alright, let's see what you guys are doing. Just catching the birds on camera. I don't fucking care. I keep your dick. Remy, what you doing? You pretty bad. What you doing? What is hiding behind you? Hey guys, do you think Jack looks like kind of like Twitter? Call him Blue Jay. Oh, Blue Jay, what you doing? That's his nickname. We call him Blue Jay sometimes. It was pretty bad. I found a pretty bed and Twitter. I found a little pretty bed. Remy, you're so pretty. Yeah, you're so freaking pretty. Girl, you like a girl. You walk like you're like a cheerleader. Ooh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her. Jack, you find yourself a cheerleader, boy? You kind of look like Twitter. Oh my, OMG, I found Twitter. He's a cute little bird. Hey Twitter, what you doing? What the hell you doing? You're just climbing? Like a clown and shit. Jack, you're Spider-Man. I'm sorry, I'm recording. See? I'm recording. See guys, I'm recording myself, so they are crazy as hell. I love them though. Aww. What are my little buds doing? Okay. You wanna be on camera? You wanna sing? Make a shitload of mess. What the fuck? Okay. You scared the shit out of me, Jack. Jack, you're such a cute little bud. You're so cute. Yeah, you're a cute little bud. This is going on YouTube. It's going on YouTube. People are gonna watch it. And they're gonna think, wow. Is that Twitter? Does he kind of look like Twitter? I think he kind of does. Okay. Let's try to... Hold on. Hey, sit up bed. Okay, I gotta set my camera. Moment. Come here. Okay, come here. Come here, my little bud. There you go, PJ. Okay, you can't be a dick. Alright, I'm not gonna grab my camera yet, because I'm... Alright, come on. Come on, little bud. Come on. Okay. Alright. Hey. Okay. Just get off. Okay. I'll just put you on now. Like that. Yep. Just keep my camera right here. See? The camera's just right here. See? You're alright. See? You're okay. Yeah, buddy. There you go. You're back with him. Maybe if I just hold him over his cage, maybe he'll be like, oh. I'm gonna sit back and relax. Alright. So the little beds are just sitting right there. Just zooming in. Turn the poop back. Turn that back. Boss up. What are you doing? He's just chewing on something. Jack, I'm catching you on camera. You know this. There's Remy. Remy's just right there. She's a pretty bud. Remy's a mix. He's a pretty little bud. Jack, what you doing? Remember, don't tell Nathan I was making a video of you two. He's a handsome little bud. The first of the Ice Age. The first thing that walked on this earth is not the dinosaurs, but it was a bird himself named Jack. Just kidding. It was the first animal that the first living things that walked on the earth was dinosaurs. But sorry, Jack. You can be prehistoric in your own time. You're not prehistoric, bro. I'm sorry. Show off. You're a cute little bud. This video is hella long, so. Aww, look at you. Aww. See, that's a cute little sweetheart. You're so cute. Yeah, Remy, you're so pretty and cute. You're a pretty bud. Every time I only want her, catch her on camera. Okay, I'm just gonna keep my camera pointing at the stick. He wants to be on camera. Every time I just try to get her on camera, like her own little shots, and then he's like, I want to be on camera. See, Remy, you got your own shots. You're such a pretty bud. On the camera, since you're such a pretty bud, I thought it was funny. Look at you. You're so pretty. Jack, you got some screenshots of yourself. Let's get some shots of her. It's a cheat. Jack, you're... Dude. His tail's so long. I'm trying not to... Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna get them both. Get little badasses. They're badasses. Aren't you? You're little badasses, aren't you? Be a badass. I do have some swearing on this channel, by the way. Not a lot, but we're gonna keep it friendly family here. Isn't that right, my little buds? Yeah, bet that's right. Jack, you're kind of a Jack. Jack, you can be sometimes a Jack beep, but I still love you. I'm only gonna beep for bad words. Jack, you're not a total Jack beep, but you know, you're decent. You're a decent guy. Blue Jay, don't put your booty at me. They run hella funny. You guys run so funny. Let's get Rem up in there. Okay, let's just move on back. Get some good shots of them. Yeah. Get the best angles. Okay, let's get some angles. 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 I'm sorry, I'm just goofing off here. Look at Jack. Rem's in the background. My hands in the middle bed. Okay. Ah, fuck, I hope I don't screw up. Alright. Angles. We got Rem and Jim. Remy, you're so pretty. Jack, you're always blocking. Dude, we just need to get some shots of Remy. Please, if it only it's like one shot. Thank you for being so supportive. Thank you, Jack. Oh, did you guys take a Duke? Who took a Duke there? Who took a freaking Duke? That's a Duke. Who, guys, did you literally... Jack, come on. Did you guys thought it would be a good idea to take a Dukes there? On your freaking cage where you eat, sleep, and poo all day? By the way, they like relaxing music, so... Birds love music. But they like soothing, soft music. Helps them relax. Look at Rem. What a pretty bed. Look at you. You're such a pretty bed. It's funny when they're cleaning themselves because their faces. Their faces in the end. I can't take it. They're so cute. Their faces in the end. It's funny. Comment down below if you think Remy's a pretty bed. She's a pretty bed. Hey guys, do you think Jack may have a secret? He may be secretly Twitter. Jack, have you created an app about yourself called Twitter? You named it after yourself because you're a bird and you love tweeting all day, so you call it Twitter? Remy! Remy, is your boyfriend secretly Twitter? Do you know? Did he make an app called Twitter? She's so cute. Aw. It may be true, Remy. Aw, she's just pretty bad. I'm gonna give her some privacy. Alright guys, we're gonna give the birds their privacy to clean themselves now. Cause that's what we gotta do. So, Jack may be secretly Twitter. We do not know. Look at you. Look at you, Jack. Are you Twitter? Jack, stop. Jack, I know you want some booty pics, but we ain't getting those booty pics. Oh, shit, bro. You okay? You want to sit on that? The fuck, bro? Jack, you want to be secretly... Jack, you're secretly Twitter. We will find out your secrets. We will know who you are. Jack, I want to know, are you secretly Twitter? Don't call... I know you guys are secretly Jack, I probably secretly know that you guys are calling me a bitch behind my back, but I still love you guys. Even though you could speak chirp and call me a bitch behind my back, but I don't care. I still love you. Jack, look at you. Are you secretly Twitter? Are you Twitter? The bird that made that app popular. Is he Twitter, Rem? Are you Twitter? We just want to know. We will make... Guys, comment if this video gets to 50 likes, 15,000 likes, 50 likes, I will make a video on, is Jack secretly Twitter? If you guys want me to do more videos like this, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I love you all. Peace out. Say goodbye, Remy. We're ending the video. Say goodbye, my pretty bed. Say goodbye, Jack. Okay, dead silence. That's a good sign. Say bye, guys. Okay, bye. I love you.